Hello everyone, Namaskar. Curry leaves. It's a boon for our health. So if you use it in a proper way, no disease can attack us. That's the truth. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use the curry leaves and benefits of curry leaves. 3 recipes I'm going to share with you. One bonus tip I'm going to share with you. Okay. By the way, my name is Dr. Devika Bhatnagar, soft skill trainer and motivational speaker. Now, first let us see the benefits of the curry leaves. There are many benefits. It contains lots of nutrients and antioxidants, and it is helpful for digestion, and it supports the hair growth also, and it is going to helpful to manage the diabetes. If you have diabetes, it is going to control. And moreover, very important thing is that immunity booster it is. The more you take it, it works like immunity booster, and it controls the cholesterol, and for high BP patients it's a boon, and it is good for eyes and also skin. Many benefits from every angle. So how to use it? Let's enter into the 3 recipes. First recipe is, I would like to recommend one curry leaves drink. Very simple to prepare. Take a bowl, take 1.5 glass of water, add little bit of curry leaves and also drumstick leaves, that is moringa leaves. If moringa is not available, you can use spinach or mint leaves, any leaves. Boil it very well. While boiling, you can add a little bit of cumin seeds powder. You can add little bit of cumin seeds powder, that is half teaspoon. Let it boil very well. After that, just close the lid, leave it for 5 minutes. Then after that, strain it out. In that you can add half teaspoon of lemon juice and also pink salt 1/4 teaspoon. So your drink is ready. You can sit at one corner and slowly sip by sip you drink it. Curry leaves drink. It is going to be much helpful for you. I take it weekly 5 days. So I would recommend this. And second thing is that you can prepare curry leaves powder. Just like we prepare idli podi, just like we prepare gunpowder, idli powder, groundnut powder, sesame powder in the same passion. Very simple.
To make curry leaves powder, first of all I have washed the curry leaves and dried it on a cloth, and took a kadai and added 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Dry fry it for 2 minutes. Then after that added 3 chilies, dry chilies, red chilies, and once again fry it just 2 minutes. Then after that 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds added. Now everything should be in a light pink color. Lastly added 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Fry for 2 minutes. Now on another side I took a kadai and added 2 teaspoons of oil. Let it boil. Now adding the curry leaves. On low flame you have to fry these curry leaves at least 5 minutes time it will take on low flame. It should become crunchy. Mixie, then powdered it. I have added here 4 garlic pieces also, that clip is missing. Now the powder is ready here. So this powder we can prepare like this. 2 teaspoon daily you can have it in a hot rice and store it in a bottle.
Now coming to the bonus tip. For hair growth point of view, you can prepare one spray. Very simple. Take one onion, grate it or mix it and take out the juice by straining. You got the onion juice. So keep it aside. And another side, take a bowl and boil curry leaves very well. Let it cool down, strain out. That curry leaves juice is ready. Curry leaves juice and onion juice, both mix it and keep it in a spray bottle. Just spray it 2 to 3 hours before taking head bath, or night also you can spray it, morning you can take head bath. Like this you can just go for hair growth. It is going to prevent all kind of fungal infections, and dandruff point of view also it is going to be helpful. So this is one of the wonderful remedy for your hair. And premature gray hair, if you find, for that also it is useful. So please go ahead. So many ways I told you how to use the curry leaves. Any one method or 3 methods you can just follow and keep yourself fit, not only yourself, your family also. So see you in another video with another interesting topic. Till that period, keep smiling, keep shining, and stay fit.